Are you tired of 15-minute YouTube videos that promise to teach you how to build an entire website? Me too. You press play, they whiz around the screen. You're left thinking, okay, but how do I actually do it? Hi, I'm Birit, and welcome to Birit Shows You How. Here I slow it down so you can actually understand how to. Where to find it, where to click, one step at a time. Website pages, email setup, blogging, simple SEO, and the tech that all ties it together, but without the panic or confusion and frustration. Think how your mom taught you to tie your shoes. An easy, simple explanation, and then a lot of practice. You'll pause, do the step, hit play, and keep going. No rushing, no mystery, just clear, patient instruction. If that's what you've been looking for, start with this video. It's a complete tutorial. If it helps, hit subscribe on my channel homepage so you can find your way back. Let's make the internet your comfortable workplace, one clear, comfortable step at a time. Need help figuring out what you need for your website? Get my free in-depth checklist and guide, 21 elements you must have for your successful website. Download it at Birit Design.